Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to do a full factory reset on the Fitbit Charge 3. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so I've got your Fitbit 3 tracker, or Fitbit Charge 3 tracker, and it's either playing up or you want to pass it on to someone else, or you just don't like it and you're going to send it back for a refund. So you want to get rid of your personal data off there and remove it from your synchronized devices. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty straightforward. First thing to do, press the button on the side and then scroll across until you get to the settings section. Press on settings, and then when you get to settings, scroll down through until you get to the about section. Click on about and you get the regulatory information, and underneath that is clear user data. Now this acts as a factory reset. So click on that and then you get the option clear data. This will unpair your device and you will lose any unsynchronized data, and then you get the option for the tick or the cross. So you press the tick button, the device will turn off, it will erase your data, remove any pairing with the Bluetooth, and then you're ready to either return the device or set it up as another user. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, give it a like. If there's any other questions or comments you've got, stick them in the comments section below. In the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and this has been how to do a factory reset on the Fitbit Charge 3. Thanks for watching.